Now we are having two fields, created fields from this option, that is create calculated field, that is YTD total sales, and then previous year YTD total sales. Now here what you need is basically year over year growth in total sales. So how you will calculate that value? That again you need to go for create calculated field. Now here it will be YOY growth in sales. Now this is very simple. Now here growth in the year is basically YTD total sales. Just you have to pick up these functions and then minus previous year sales, and this ratio you will take, because I have to the operator sequence. In that case I have to put this bracket, because the first this value will be calculated and then this difference will be again divided by previous sales. So that is how you get this value, that is YOY year on year growth in sales. That is the difference of YTD, that is current year. YTD is year to date, means current date. So year to date total sales, what is there in, say in this case for 2021, subtracted from 2022. So expecting that this value is positive, of course, and then you are dividing this with previous year, because you need to get here the value that how much is the percentage increase in the sales of the cars. Okay, so this function is there. I will just make it okay, and then you get this field here, that is YOY growth in sales.